Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I've been looking for a beautiful entryway table and I found one. This beautiful sofa table has far exceeded my expectations. Look at how beautiful it is. There's so many things that I love about it. I love how sturdy it is. I think that's the number one thing I like about it. I also love this little drawer for storage. It's perfect for our tablets and some files that we just didn't know where to put. They all fit perfectly in there and the drawer closes easily. It opens easily. I love how much space you have between the top tier and the bottom tier. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do with all that space, but you could put a nice big plant in there. I usually fill all my empty spaces with plants, but you could put whatever you want down there. I put a couple books and it looks really beautiful. I love how sturdy this is. These crisscross sides here give it extra durability. This was very easy to put together. I'm not the handiest woman in the world, but I put this together all by myself and it didn't take me that long to do. Even the complicated drawer was very easy. I love this table. This table is just perfect. It looks so great here by my front door. I love the color, I love the storage, but that's just my point of view.